guys, I just joined Animal Company and I have no idea what's happening. Like, what is this? What is happening? Am I supposed to go in there? I guess so. This is crazy. Okay, here we go. Oh my god. What is happening? What is this? New map? Whoa. You can swim? No, they made it so you can... Oh. What is happening here? This is crazy. Wait, did they... Hey.
Go down!
This,
Bro, I knew this was a simulation. I knew this was a simulation.
I'm gonna miss the
Everyone
old
do not
map
go to red.
2023 to 2025.
What's down there? A creepy, ugly monster.
Okay, so I can find this, but how am I supposed to get up there though? Where do I go? Guys, where are you supposed to go?
Hopefully not in there, because it gets really dark.
Whoa. Wait, I think you're supposed to go down here, actually. Whoa! Okay, here we go! Whoa! I don't want to go down there. Whoa.
Yo!
What is that? What is that?
Damn!
What's that? What happens if I touch it? Whoa.
Can you kill it? Can you kill it?
That's scary.
What the heck?
Oh, just keep your... What is this? Oh my god. That's... Oh, there's so much noise.
I'm in this
Whoa.
weird wire pump area.
What the hell? The new map? OG?
Whoa.
No, it's the new map, but I want to see the scary stuff. No, the OG map.
Bro, who is mining? Somebody is mining.
No, it's the new map.
Okay, I'm going to my
the
private
OG
server.
map. I'm serious. It's not the OG map. Wait, did they empty out?
Okay, guys. This is crazy. Like, what just happened? Like... That's crazy. That's just mind blowing. That was a sick event. That was just. Oh, last time I was here, it did not look like this. What was that bomb? Explode me. That's weird. Okay. Open! Open up! What's behind this door? Okay. Okay, I guess that doesn't work. Got fan art up here. But like the... No. Wait, is it just this map now, or like what? Ooh, a hot spring. Well, this update is sick. But I'm gonna miss the old map. Yeah. Where are you like? So here we have the mining area. Here you sell. What's here? Here's forest. What's over here? Yo! Wait, I was just here. Okay. So that's this for the update. Wait, they might have gotten some new stuff too. And this is sick. Like, you can kick people if they're being really annoying, or like, yeah. Or if they're just like a modder, you can report them. Okay, this is still normal. But anything new? Teleport gun, that's new. That's gonna be sick. They got a new like research point thing. You can get 30. I'm Norwegian, that's why it says. That's like $20, I think. Well, yeah. That's it for this That's just for this update. Sorry.